too sure what's gone on with my hair, but just ignore it. Good morning guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. Today's Tuesday the 7th of July. I don't even know what day it is it the 7th? Yeah. I'm really excited about today because we are actually seeing some, well, I was gonna say family, technically they're not family, for the first time since like March. Basically, one of my mum's really close friends also happens to be my godmother. Now, I have definitely mentioned this in vlogs before, but I always get comments being like, oh, I don't know what like godparents are, which I don't know if it's just a UK thing or if not that many people have them anymore because it's quite a traditional thing to have. Basically, they're just like family that aren't family. I don't really know. I think the actual purpose of a godparent is if your parents are like dead. For whatever reason, basically you go to your godparents in that situation, like you would live with them. Very strange. This vlog has got off to a weird start. Basically, my godmother and I think maybe her daughter, I'm not too sure, are coming to the house today for the first time, obviously, since March. The lockdown rules have now changed, so you can see people inside. I saw a lot of people over the weekend quite confused about that, but they are the new rules. You can see people inside as long as you are obviously keeping a distance from them. So we're very excited because she actually celebrated a pretty big birthday last week, and we have decided to have a little afternoon tea. My mum's baked a cake this morning. We've got some gorgeous flowers, and I'm just very excited. It will be very bizarre to have people back in like our living room. It just feels like this has been a space where it's like just us, so it's gonna feel a little bit weird. But I just got ready, did my hair, but I didn't really do my hair because I had this styling yesterday and I kind of just wanted to leave it because I am lazy as. So I tried to like curl little bits with my straighteners, but I'm the worst at curling hair with straighteners, so it just really hasn't worked. That's my morning. It is disgusting weather. It's literally grey and raining, and it's July, so like, where is the sun? Where is summer at? I'm missing it. I just quickly wanted to show these two tops in the vlog as well, because last week a girl reached out to me on Instagram who set up her own little business, and she's one of my viewers, and I thought it was so cute. So she asked if I wanted anything from her like Instagram boutique shop, and I was like, oh my god, that would be amazing. So it's called the Little Colour Club, and basically she does tie-dye items, and I'm just obsessed with these. I wore this in a video that I put up earlier in the week, and I've already had so many questions about it on Instagram. Same with this one. I absolutely love this. It's just a little cropped top, but she's tie-dyed it blue, and then she's also sent me a pair of matching Nike trainer socks that are also tie-dyed. So I just think these are so cute. So if you want anything that's like custom made tie-dye, I really recommend checking out Little Colour Club on Insta because she is so lovely. I also this morning received this such lovely delivery from Superdrug to celebrate the reopening of their beauty studio and their stores nationwide. So thank you so much to Superdrug for all of these bits and bobs, especially this. I'm obsessed with this. It's a hydrating mist that you spray on, and it's like a moisturizer, but it smells amazing. It's left my skin feeling so good this morning after I had a shower. Thank you so much, Superdrug. Look how cute this little spread is. So we've got some flowers, very pretty. Mum has also baked a cake which looks 10 out of 10. Well done, Mum. Mary Berry's going to be quaking all over again. And then we've just got some sandwiches and some cute sandwich fillings. We've got tuna, egg, and then what else do we have? Ham and cheese as well. We definitely need some cheese. We need to have some cheese. Walker's oven baked crisps are like top tier. What happened to your chocolate eclairs, Mum?
That was just in case the cake failed.
Oh right, they're not both options, are they not? Yeah. And of course, the essential, the hand sanitizer. It is now the evening time. Haven't filmed very much today. Incredibly sorry. Basically just spent the afternoon catching up with my godmother. I don't know, it was really nice actually. And then I really haven't done very much. This evening I had my video go up that I filmed with Harry. I filmed that yesterday. It was like the fast food, every drive-through video. So if you haven't seen that, go and check it out because it was a lot of fun to film, obviously. Lots of good food involved. And also a lot of fun to edit. So if you haven't watched that, I put that up this evening. I was kind of just finishing off editing that. Obviously I only filmed it yesterday, so it was a really like quick turnaround. Usually, in fact, pre-lockdown, pre-coronavirus, I used to film like a week to 10 days in advance, and I would always have like a whole week's worth of things ready to go. Now I literally I'm editing it on the day and uploading it on the day, which a lot of YouTubers do anyway. I've just never done that because I was always juggling something else. I was always doing school, or I was doing uni, or I was traveling, and everything was pre-filmed, but I'm really not doing that at the minute, which feels weird. And I think that eventually if life does go back to normal, or when, hopefully when, I'll have forgotten how to be organised. Anyway, that was that. Last week I spoke about a series on Netflix called The Sinner. I'm about to watch the last episode of that. Turns out I started watching series 3. Absolute muppet. I thought it was series 1 because that was the series that Netflix were pushing but I started watching the 3rd series, but I've since realised that every single series is a completely different storyline, so I don't think it matters too much. So I'm about to watch the end of series 3. I really want to start reading a book as well this week. I keep talking to you guys about things I'm watching. I haven't read a book for a while. I go through real phases with books where I'll read like 3 books in a week and then I won't read for like 3 weeks. I'll pick you up in the morning. I'm actually seeing my friends Jenny and Gabby tomorrow. We're going for a walk. Weather permitting, the weather this week is shocking. Just makes me feel so demotivated. Demotivated? Unmotivated? Unmotivated. When the weather is bad. Especially with fitness and especially with walking. I'm hoping it's not raining. Good morning guys, it is now Wednesday and I am going to meet my friends Jenny and Gabby and we're gonna go for a walk, hence why I'm like still in my gym stuff. I think they're wearing gym stuff and not like actual clothing, I hope. But yeah, I'm quite excited. It's gonna be lush. Also, I really think that my hair's starting to look quite long again. Like, I've got it in a high ponytail and it doesn't look dead stumpy. And I'm kind of vibing with it. I think I said this in last week's vlog. I was like toying with the idea of chopping it back off. Instead, I've actually booked into the hairdressers next week. I'm so grateful because I thought my hairdresser was going to be super booked up until like August. But she can fit me in next week, and instead of having it cut, I'm actually going to have it dyed because like, what colour hair is this? Do you know what I mean? Like, it's my natural hair. I haven't got really any dye left in it now. There's no blonde left in my hair. So I'm going to go blonde again next week. And I want to be pretty blonde. I don't want to go like peroxide blonde. I don't want to dye it from the roots still, but I want to go pretty blonde. Wow, we went really off topic. Basically, I'm already running late. Shock horror, I'm running late. What's new? So I'm gonna go see Jenny and Gabby now. Apart from this guy. Oh. Made myself a little pizza wrap for my lunch. I've got peppers, pineapple and onions on it and it just looks so good. Also got a naked bar, absolute classic, and an Actimel. I am now back home, as I'm sure you gathered, and it was lush to see my friends actually. Really nice to go for a walk, have a catch up. But now I'm actually about to jump on a video call with Microsoft. I think I'm allowed to say that, I don't really know. But it's like the first call we've had, and you guys know if you watch the vlogs that I get really nervous like before I do stuff like this. Although I seem like I know what I'm doing and I'm like confident and talking and stuff, I never actually talk with an audience. Like, I never have an audience. I'm sat by myself in my office right now. I know that if I mess up what I'm saying, I'll just say it again and be able to cut it out. Like, I'm fully in control, whereas don't get me wrong, like, I'm still very excited. I think that they'll probably be absolutely lovely and that there's nothing to worry about, but I just, before I go on a call, I just get like little bubbles of anxiety. I'm also really excited. I haven't really had very many meetings during lockdown because, I mean, to be honest, I don't really have that many meetings anyway. I'm not like a high flying like Zoella level YouTuber, but definitely less than I would have done had this whole situation not been going on. Even just going into the office, like I do go into my management's office, not regularly, but like, you know, I have face-to-face contact with other people in this industry, and obviously I haven't had that for the whole year basically. So I feel like I'm a little bit out of the loop and out of practice of it. But I also think, because it's a half an hour slot, like it's just a half an hour meeting, so afterwards I might bake another banana bread. Because if you watched last week's vlog, if you haven't watched it, check it out. I made a banana bread, but I burnt it really badly, to be honest. It tasted nice inside, but the outside was like almost black. I think I might make another and hopefully not burn it, fingers crossed. Whew. We did it, and the guy that I was chatting to was so lovely. Every time I worry for no reason, because I think actually I'm a chatty person. I just overthink. So as soon as we started chatting, it was absolutely fine. I've had a positive experience and I'm gonna go downstairs now because your girl needs a drink. I'm gonna go have a cup of tea. Okay, back in the kitchen with another cooking segment this evening. No, it's not really me this evening. We're having a bit of a cheat night. This isn't from scratch, but cheat, as in like the last few vlogs I've made a meal from scratch, but I'm very excited about this one because tonight we're having tortellini. So we've got this fresh pasta, as in it's not like, what's the other kind of pasta? Dried. It's not dried pasta, it's fresh pasta, and it is cheese and ham tortellini. I've had this once before, but I had feta cheese and spinach, which I think I would actually prefer because that's veggie. Mum got this one and I'm sure it's going to be equally as nice. The thing I'm excited for the most is the sauce. Is that still in the fridge? we've got this amazing tomato and mascarpone sauce for it. We used to have ravioli a lot when I was younger actually, didn't we? But we haven't had tortellini, so I'm very excited. Vegetables cooking up in this pan, and then I'm guessing these are gonna go into this pan here. And of course, a garlic bread. This morning when I saw my friend Gabby, she actually gave us 2 of these. I think they're just like puff pastry. They're like little pies, but it's strawberry and rhubarb and gooseberry, and her and her mum have made these, or I think maybe just Gabby actually. Basically, you're gonna cut them in half and then have half each, so we've got 2.
I'm not sharing.
To serve 2, she said. So yeah, I'm really excited because you're meant to take this off, and then underneath is all of the like stuff, and you kind of serve it out. I'm not gonna do it with one hand, but they smell so good. I wish you guys could smell it. Can you smell them? So thanks, Gabby. Is there any night better than fresh bedding night? I've got retainers in, by the way. List alert. But I'm so excited to get into bed. Honestly, like, I just freaking love having fresh bedding on, and this just looks to die for. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'll pick you up in the morning. Very excited for tomorrow actually, because I'm meeting my friend Rachel and we're actually going for lunch. This is the first time I've eaten anywhere. Obviously the restrictions only lifted last weekend, but I'm very excited. We're gonna go for lunch in a pub slash, it's like a well, it's not a restaurant, it's a pub, but it does like food and stuff in Beverley, which I'm really excited about. And also, I haven't seen Rachel since before I went to Australia, I don't think. It's been a while. To be honest, this whole year's just blurred into one. Sometimes I just deep the fact that it's July and I'm like, where the heck has the year gone? Because I haven't done anything since February. But it's somehow July. Guys, it is now Thursday, and as you saw from that last clip, I actually baked a banana and blueberry loaf this morning, which I have never actually tried before. I've done banana bread, as you know, failed completely at last week's, and I said earlier in the vlog that I was going to make one and I just never did. So I decided to get up and do one this morning after I'd done a workout, and I also added blueberries to it. It's just about to come out the oven and I'm very excited because it looks amazing, if I say so myself. And then I'm actually going to meet my friend Rachel for lunch, as I mentioned. So this is the outfit I have on. It's this cute little top. I got it the other day from Urban Outfitters. I'll link it down below actually, but yeah, I think it's really cute. I've got this little bralette underneath it because obviously like it's a bit see-through here. You guys know how I feel about lilac, so when I saw this in the shop I was like, that literally has my name written all over it. I am home from seeing my friend Rachel. I never showed you the finished banana bread actually, because I had to go out before I took it out of the oven. I thought it was going to be ready before I left to meet Rach, but then actually it wasn't, so my mum took it out of the oven. I'll show you it after this. But I had the most lovely afternoon. I'll insert a picture here of the burger that I had. It was actually a veggie burger, but it just felt so nice to be out doing something a little bit normal. The pub that I was in felt really safe. Obviously you guys know I live in like a really small town, so it's never like ridiculously busy anyway in comparison to like cities and stuff. But obviously it's midweek, it's a Thursday, there was just nobody in there, so it felt really lovely. Me and Rach just had the nicest catch up. It was just nice to have like a laugh and like a good time. It felt weird, but I was just saying this to my mum, like it's drained me because I've forgotten how to socialise. Like we were there for about 3 hours just having a big old catch up, full on chat, and when I got in I was like, wow, I feel like I've just gone on a run or something. I'm like, just because I've forgotten what it's like socialising takes energy. But anyway, I've had a lush afternoon. I had quite a big lunch, so don't really know what I'm going to do for food later. I might just have some of the banana bread because that looked delicious. So I'm currently just putting the finishing touches on the video that I'm uploading in 40 minutes. So it is my glow up video that I put up on Thursday, if you haven't seen it. Basically how it works is I've already like scheduled it and done all of this good stuff, but then the monetization section is where the ads get placed. So I actually can alter where ads go in videos and stuff, but if you don't do that, YouTube just automatically does it, which is how I usually leave it, and then sometimes I'll just like move them around as to where they are in the video. But yeah, I thought I'd do a little behind the scenes, but basically it's all ready to go. It's scheduled for 6 PM, so I'm really excited because I really enjoyed filming this one. Look at this bad boy. I feel like you can really just see that this is an improvement on last week, and as I said, I cooked blueberries into it as well. I'm gonna cut myself a slice. How good does that look? Definitely an improvement on last week's, although the blueberries kind of have sank a bit, but like overall pretty good. Lottie went to the hairdresser's this morning, but instead of getting a haircut she just got blow dried, so she's so fluffy. Lottie, what's this? Why do you look scared of me? Where are we going this week?
Going to Home Bargains. This is exciting. I've never been.
We have never been to Home Bargains, so we're going there, and we're also going to Pets at Home because Lottie turns 2 on Monday. Can you believe that? We haven't had her for 2 years. We got her in September, but even that is crazy that it's almost been 2 years. But her actual birthday's in July, so you know how we're really sad and like one of those types of people that celebrates their dog's birthday. Well, last year we were on holiday and we missed it, so this year we're going doubly as hard. So we're buying some stuff for her from Pets at Home, but also I want to look at the animals because I love looking at the hamsters and the guinea pigs in Pets at Home. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also a passenger.
I think people might be wondering why I keep driving yours and Harry's car.
Oh yeah, my mum sold her car right at the beginning of lockdown. Best time ever to sell a car. We're now alternating between the other 3 cars because really, between 4 of us, we probably don't need 4 cars.
I didn't sell it, the lease finished.
The lease finished on your other car. So now she's driving mine and she keeps moving the seat forward and altering the mirrors and adjusting this, what's that called?
Mirror.
Rear view mirror.
I kind of need to.
Yeah, but I'm never a passenger in my own car. I don't actually think I've ever been a passenger and had somebody else drive me in this car.
I could just take Dad's, but it's like driving a tank.
I'd feel a bit stressed if you drove Dad's car with me.
I'd feel a bit stressed.
Yeah, so we're driving mine because it's smaller, but...
We could take Harry's, he might not notice.
We could take Harry's, he definitely wouldn't notice, but... Oh my god, better than Harry's. Wasn't the most positive experience, was it, Mum?
Wasn't what I was expecting.
Did you get what you wanted?
No.
So we just went in Home Bargains. The only thing that I bought that I'm enjoying right now are these. These are such a good snack. So we're going to go to Pets at Home because I don't actually know what you wanted from there,
because I've watched loads of like...
She's watched YouTubers that do Home Bargain hauls, and they must have...
And we could have gone to B&M.
Yeah, they must have huge Home Bargains where they live.
It was just food.
Yeah, it was just snacks.
So it's spent £28.
Yeah.
What's on?
Food, on food. Here we are. I'm about to convince my mum to get us some guinea pigs. She's saying no. These are so cute. Prosecco for dogs. That is the best thing I've ever seen. If I was a dog, I'd be straight on that. £8.99 for a dog birthday cake. How spoiled is our dog?
I don't pay that much for yours.
It does look good though. Aww. Guys, I'm not sure how well you can see this weather. Can't hear it because we're not sat in there, but it is thundering and lightning and hailstoning. That's craziness. Lottie, what do you think? What do you think? It's about to thunder. Thunder. Guys, look at this ridiculous delivery that I have just had hand delivered. So there's a company in Beverley called Le Bon Bon. I'll put it on screen, and they've literally just started up. It's like a bakery, and they've given me kindly 4 of their cheesecakes, and they're in these such cute little pots. I haven't picked them out yet. So this one is Oreo, and then I think this one might be caramel, blueberry and Biscoff, and they were like, oh, we'd love to send you some, can we drop them around at your house? And I was like, oh my gosh, that would be amazing. So obviously they're local to me, they're a local company, but I'll link them down below anyway and leave them on screen because I just think that these are the cutest home delivered desserts I have ever seen, and I'm so excited to try them. Specifically this one just looks to die for. So thank you so much to the girl that just brought these around. It was so lovely. So this is their Instagram if anybody did want to follow it, especially if you're in the local area. I know a lot of my followers are from like East Yorkshire, so if you're from around here, check them out on Instagram, and here are some of their real life products, and I can vouch that they are as good as the Instagram photos make them look. Guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here because I've just finished editing it and then I realized I didn't insert an end clip. So if you have enjoyed it, do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check out that cheesecake company that I just mentioned on Instagram if you live in the local area, because I just ate it and it was a solid 10 out of 10. So I'll leave them linked down below, as well as the top I was wearing yesterday. But other than that, I shall be back on my channel on Tuesday, and I'm really excited for the video that I have going up, I think probably towards the end of this week on Thursday. But it's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be embarrassing. So subscribe down below to see that, and I'll see you all then. Bye guys.